Hello guys and welcome back to 5 minutes of channel. Today I want to present you a new zOS tool that can help the security. In 5 minutes of course. Today many organizations receive the request to realize a strict control and monitor for specific changes in the system in terms of datasets or library that have stored configurations and sensitive information. You can do that with an external security manager as RACF and other powerful tools such as zSecure in order to detect who made the change, what was changed and when, and so on. But all these controls are made at what level? For example, can you control the changes of the members in a library? Think to the system library, where the detection of system-wide changes for both zOS and USS environments is crucial. For sure, with RACF, you can check who wants to modify the dataset, but not the reason of the change. In several cases, it could be very important to know the reason of the change before modify the data. And what happens if the change is wrong, or if the change introduces new problems? You need to roll back to the last good version of the changed data in real time. What about if you want to lock a dataset to avoid any changes, probably in a specific time period, for example, during your absence from the work or during your holiday? Probably a change tracker tool can be useful for system and security administrators and auditors to improve quality and reliability by quickly understanding what has changed in software environments, reducing system or application outages. And also, with a similar tool, you can provide proof to auditors, showing them who and what changes happened on the system, reducing the costs and complexities, and also to be aligned with compliance requirements by providing an efficient and organized control process. In this way, you can create a more secure zOS and resilient IT environment, providing automatic process for the software change control and management of system products such as zOS, DB2, CICS, and other vendor software. The name of this tool is zOS Change Tracker. It is available as a traditional ISPF interface or with the new zOSMF plugin and can work starting with zOS 2.5 version. zOS Change Tracker simplifies the work of system programmers which have the need to identify and track mission-critical system and application software configuration data changes, and to recover hundreds of configuration files in real time thanks to an internal process able to realize the automatic versioning of identified system control datasets. And also it provides a reporting capability of real-time configuration data changes and rollback capabilities to undo unplanned or unsuccessful operations. zOS Change Tracker is based on 4 core functions. The first one is protection, in order to provide member-level management of critical PDS and PDSA libraries. Using this function, the administrator can add libraries to the monitor list. Every time a member in these libraries is changed, the product will take a backup and keep a record of who was responsible of the change. You can also have mail notification for the changes and the lock protection for members that cannot be changed without a permission from the administrator. Then we have the recovery function to view backups of monitored libraries and compare and recover them. With the audit function, you can monitor all changes to the libraries. The recording can be filtered based on event time and operation type, such as add, update, delete, rename, and so on. The last one function is the ability to fingerprint, also known as tokenization. A token is a 4-byte fingerprint representing the contents of a file, which is then used to quickly identify changed files or members. For a library, one token is generated for each member. The feature also supports sequential, Vision datasets, and USS files, and there is no size limit, so an entire dust volume can be fingerprinted. To protect system library, you have to specify the name of the library in the protect list, as in this example. And the initial attributes means that a backup will be taken of all members when the library is protected. Any subsequent change will take another backup to the maximum number of copies. Lock means that the library cannot be updated without a member being checked out by the administrator. You can interact with zOS Change Tracker using the two possible interfaces, the traditional SPF session or much more easy using the zOS MF plugin. You have 90 days to try zOS Change Tracker at no charge. It is sufficient to install the app specified here, then enabling the trial in the Parlin member, and that's all. Thank you for your attention and stay tuned to this channel for the next video. Bye bye from Luigi.